Rudi Haryono, a final selected participant for the program of ASEAN Youth Organization Ambassador Program 2021. Dear all the ASEAN youth, I live in a rural area and my daily activity as an English lecturer at a private university in Bogor, and my social activity is initiating and developing a private school in a rural area for the low middle community, and also I'm active in Muhammadiyah Association. I have 8 years of experience in organizing and developing Muhammadiyah Youth Association or Pemuda Muhammadiyah in Bogor Regency, West Java Province. In these occasions, I would like to present or share about one issue, that what is the most challenging issues faced by Indonesian. And my answer is youth digital literacy. Dear all my beloved friends of ASEAN Youth, I do believe that every child in secondary school and youth generation in Indonesia knows ASEAN as their regional association. ASEAN is a very famous and well-known association in Indonesia, in the world, and of course in its member countries. The first fact is, in Indonesia, 1 of 4 Indonesian population is the young. The good news is Indonesia's demographic is dominated by the productive age group around 15 until 64, which accounts for 68.7% of the total population in 2019, as reported by Bappenas, BPS, and UNFPA in 2018. Furthermore, as one of the members of ASEAN, Indonesia, with its great diversity and population, has its challenges to develop the quality of human resources and, in general, people of Indonesia. Hence, partnership and multi-sector collaboration is the key to the realization of sustainable development. Based on some challenges, as I mentioned earlier, Indonesia is experiencing one of the SDGs focuses, that is quality education, especially in digital literacy. So, what is digital literacy? Digital literacy is an ability to understand and use information from various digital sources. Is not only related to reading characters, but also the process of thinking and evaluating information found in digital sources. There are various issues related to this, such as hoaxes, privacy violations, cyberbullying, violent content, and pornography. It is undeniable that digital media plays a major role in the daily life of a great number of Indonesian people. Indonesia now is an emerging country in terms of digital media consumption. Surprisingly, the report by The Economist shows that most Indonesian people use the internet for the entertainment rather than information-oriented activities. Indonesian young people do online activities such as using a smartphone, about 94.3%, and a laptop around 95.6%. And 61% of the people reported having internet access at home. Average home access 47.2%, according to IETU report in 2007. Based on the fact and capable, with my experience in organizing youth organization and academic background as a lecturer at the campus, if I am elected as ASEAN Youth Ambassador, I will be focusing on the issues of quality education, in particular digital literacy for the youth. The question is, why youth digital literacy is my concern. Digital literacy is very important for the youth to use technology and digital media to communicate, create, find, and choose the right information. I will do some activities related to the campaign to raise awareness of digital literacy for the youth. My objective activity mainly will focus on the campaign for the youth to become more responsible and knowledgeable about data, digital media, and their impact. To sum up, to support SDGs targets, there are 3 important stakeholders to be involved. Government as law and policy enforcer, private as economic and business doer, youth as campaigner, and academic as SDGs Center of Excellence. We can see here, remember, youth as campaigners. It is a very important role. So, I do hope that I can be elected to be one of the ASEAN Youth Ambassador to promote, campaign, and do activities to raise the awareness of the youth digital literacy. Hatur nuhun, terima kasih. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.